Squid Game wasn't just a global sensation, it was a wake up call. Brutal games, moral dilemmas, friendships shattered, and in the final season, the heartbreaking death of Seong Ji Hoon. But behind all the chaos and carnage, Squid Game gave us lessons dark, uncomfortable, and very real. So today, we are breaking down 5 things we learned from Squid Game, including the tragic end of our main character and what it really meant. Lesson 1. Desperation can make anyone cross the line. Every single player in the game had something in common. They were broken by life. Ji-hoon was a loving father, but jobless and drowning in debt. Sang-woo, on the other hand, was once a financial prodigy, now running from fraud charges. Ali was a migrant worker who was underpaid and exploited. They weren't criminals, they were just desperate. Squid Game shows us that under the weight of poverty, even the kindest people can make unthinkable choices. Lesson 2. Trust is the most dangerous gamble. In the game, trust can be a lifeline or a loaded gun. Ali trusted Sang-woo and paid for it with his life. Ji-hoon bonded with the old man, Oh Il-nam, only to discover he was the mastermind behind it all. The lesson? The most dangerous player isn't always the strongest. It's the one you let close. Lesson 3. The system is rigged, even in the game. The Squid Game was supposed to be fair. Same rules, same chances, same risks. But was it really? The rich VIPs watched from above, laughing and placing bets on lives, while the poor fought to survive. It's not just fiction, it's a mirror of our world. No matter how fair the rules seem, those with power always rewrite them. Lesson 4. Good people don't always win. Ji-young was selfless, Ali was loyal, Ji-hoon was compassionate. Yet, time and again, those who showed kindness were the ones who suffered the most. In Squid Game, being good doesn't guarantee survival, but the series forces us to ask, is it better to survive or to stay human? The last lesson, lesson 5. Ji-hoon's death wasn't the end, it was the message. After winning the game, Ji-hoon didn't spend the money. He didn't celebrate. He was broken. But in his second attempt, he finds a new mission to bring down the system that created the game. And in doing so, he sacrifices his life. But that wasn't defeat. It was the ultimate message. Real change comes with real cost. And sometimes, the bravest thing you can do is not to survive, but to resist. Squid Game started as a fight to live, but it ended as a fight for meaning. Ji-hoon didn't just die, he became a symbol, a reminder that even one broken man can challenge a cruel system. What did you take away from Ji-hoon's journey? Do you think his death was necessary? Let us know in the comments. And if this video made you feel something, like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Until then, stay awake, because the real world, it's not so different from the game.